I think it's in the hole still. That's another coin. Right, at my daughter's garden again. This time I'm out with the Manticore. Last time I was out with the DS2. It was about 2 weeks ago. And since then it has rained quite a bit. So hopefully might find some other bits. I've been stung, not impressed. And I haven't even got the detector in my hand yet. There's wasps all around at the moment and they're a little bit vile. But anyway, further to do, let's have a look, see what we can find. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh, I've got a 65, 66. Not a bad circle on the line actually. And not too far down. Right, it's out. Looks like it's another part of a car. There you go. Possibly part of a car. I got a 55, 56. Perfect circle, but it's below the line. So let's have a look. It's out. Just a bit of foil. A bit of foil. No, just a bit of tin actually. Just a bit of tin. Alright, it's a 92, 93, 94. Now it's open. It was a 70, 71 before I opened it. What's that? Old car. God, it looks like a Batmobile. Yeah, it is. Look at that. The Batmobile? I think it is. I'll give that a bit of a clean up. But there you go. I missed that with the DS2. Certainly looks like the Batmobile. There you go. 61, 62. Oh, it's not performing now. No, it's telling me it's rubbish now. I'm going to jump through the roof. It's got to be rubbish. Yeah. It's coming out with rubbish. I have to get out just to have a look. And there it is there. Just a nail. Oh, I did get a coin as well. So a nail and a coin. So that's maybe why I got a good signal and a bad signal then. It's the size of a penny. Yeah, I'm going to say it's a penny. Until I give it a proper clean up, I can't really see. I'm just not too sure with that image on the background there. But I think it is a penny. I'll give it a clean up and then we'll see. But that was in with the nail. And it's dropped to 63, 64. And then the other way, 69, 70. There. Certainly feels like it. Yeah, don't know what that is. Got a bit decorative on it. You can see the decorative lines. I would have thought it's probably modern. First of all, I thought it was a shoehorn, but don't think it is. But yeah, there you go. Oh, got another penny. Another penny. So that's 2 pennies I've had today so far. And there you go. It's jumping around between a 76 and an 82. And that's all the way around, so let's have a look. I think it's still in. Yep. And we've got another coin. Got another coin. 2p this time. Don't forget, I've been over this already with the DS2. And we've had 4p so far, as in 2 1pences and a 2p. Well, there you go. 59, 60, 61. One 62. Now it's open. Okay. What is that? A bit of jewellery, I think. Got a hole there. I don't think it's fishing related. It might be fishing related, but I don't think it is. So I think it's a bit of jewellery, pendant, or maybe it was from an earring. It's a bit weirdly made on the back there, so it could be fishing related. Let's just have a little brush. Don't know. Nothing written on there. But there you go. Possibly a bit of jewellery. I just found a buckle. It's not terribly old. So it's still got some of the leather on. Let's take that off. It's of no use. But yeah, not that old. But we've got a little buckle. 76, 77. Keep being attacked by wasps, so I'm not very happy. I can't find a wasp nest anywhere, so I don't know why they're attacking me. Oh, I've got another one around me. I think it's in the hole still. That's another coin. That's another penny. Oh, there you go. Another 1p coin. Oh, I just found a tractor. There you go. One tractor. Happy days. Yeah, I've just got a button by the looks of it. Can't quite make out what the wording is on it. It's got some writing on there, but I just can't work it out. I haven't got a clue. I don't know whether it's that old, to be fair. I don't think so with writing on it like that. Trims something. Yeah, TRIMS. I can't make out what it says there though. So I'll have a little look on the internet and see if I can find out what it says. And there you go. Believe one button. That was a 76, 77.